Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, vlogs, makeup, skincare, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're talking about summer gourmands. Okay, I got a request for somebody that wanted to get a list of summer gourmands, and you know, I know that a lot of y'all love to smell sweet all year round. I need y'all to start exploring some other scent profiles. Okay, we can't just be smelling sweet all the damn time. Okay, but I know a lot of y'all like to smell sweet in the summer, so me being who I am, I'm gonna give y'all what you want. Now I feel like all of these are definitely sweet and sweet enough to wear in the high heat, perfect for summer and all of the things. Now even though I call them gourmands, none of these are going to smell like food. Okay, we're not doing the sweet cookies and cakes and no, I cannot have y'all out here smelling like rotten sweaty oatmeal raisin cookies just because y'all want to do that all year. No, it's not appropriate in 95-degree weather. Okay, but these are sweet, so they're going to give you that sweetness that you want, but they are appropriate for high heat. And I think I have a little something for everybody. So let's start with Sundays by Byredo. Sundays is going to give you a nice citrus lemon, but it's like lemon cotton candy. That's exactly what it smelled like. If they ever made a cotton candy flavor of lemon, that's what this smells like. So you're going to get that citrus feel that you like, but also that sweet, like cotton candy, sweet, sugary thickness and all of the things. But it's still appropriate for summer because you do have that lemony citrus feel to it. I really like the way this smells. It makes you think of summer, like, you know, because summer is the time when you go to fairs and stuff like that, and you would eat cotton candy and funnel cakes and all of that, but this is lemon flavored cotton candy. I don't know if that's a real thing, but if it was, that's what this smells like. So if you want your lemony sweet sugary fix, then pick this one up. Next is Amorous Intense. So this is definitely sweet. It's giving a sweet pear, apple, a little caramel. A lot of people say it smells like a Jolly Rancher, and I get that. Like, I get where they're coming from with that, but that caramel and kind of whipped creamy smell in there kind of gives it more of a pear apple dessert type of feel. It smells so good. I get compliments when I wear this. It's just perfect for summer, and it's super sweet. This is going to give you that candy like, that dessert like candy fix that you're looking for the summer. It's sweet. That pear, of course, pear is great for summer. Apple is good for summer, so this is just perfect for that. I should have wore this today. It matches my little outfit and everything, but it's not on my tray. But if I was just picking off the shelf, I probably would have grabbed this because it matches my outfit and it matches the vibes, it matches the season and all of the things. Y'all know when this dropped, I tore it up. I wore it 5 days in a row, and I wore it like, I think either once or twice to bed. Like, I was tearing it up, and it's because it's just an easy reach. Like, you can really just grab this and go. You could dress it up and dress it down, but this is more like a easy reach, grab and go, daytime fun, flirty, playful, like, you know what I'm saying, but not juvenile kitty way, but fun, flirty, playful, daytime lunch brunch type of thing. And I was tearing it up because I could just grab it. I could just grab it and go. As you can see, I've worn it since last year, but yeah, definitely. So this is one if you really like that candy smell. Karaoke Heart has definitely been all the craze lately, and for good reason. Like, this smells so good. It's got mangoes and pineapples, a little sandalwood to kind of keep it a little creamy. It's got vanilla. It's like the perfect balance of fruity creaminess, sweetness. It's not too sickeningly cloyingly sweet, but it's just enough sweetness. Like, it smells so good. This is definitely fun, something you can layer with. You can layer this with so many fragrances. You can wear this for day, you can wear this for night. If I wear it in a day, I just wear it by itself because it's just fun and just feminine, sweet, playful, girly. But if I wear it at night, I want to like layer this with something a little deeper and sexier, just to give it that like sweetness and that like a little bit of fruitiness. But Karaoke Heart is really nice, perfect for hot weather, perfect amount of sweetness for summer. So if you don't have this, definitely try it. Kind Intentions. I feel like Kind Intentions is for my vanilla lovers, but not if you're looking for like a sweet, sickeningly sweet, deep like vanilla. This is a summertime vanilla. It's like a light, airy, soft, fluffy vanilla, smooth, and it's got a note of seaweed in it. And now that since I know that that's in there, I feel like I can smell it, but it's not bad. Like, it really brings some character to this fragrance. Like, seriously, it smells so good. I was in love with this last summer just because it's a vanilla, but it's a summertime sweet vanilla, slightly woody, slightly salty. Just, I don't know, it's just something about it. It's not too much. It's not gonna give you a headache. It's not too sweet. You're not gonna smell like sweaty sugar. Okay, like we're just not doing that in the summer. It's just too hot for that. Okay, it's too hot. This is the perfect vanilla, light, airy, and fluffy kind of, but not creamy, like fluffy. I love kind of tensions. Next is Melon Kiss. This is a perfect sweet kind of somewhat fruity fragrance for summer. I feel like this one smells like how the bottle looks. It's got that melon, a little sweetness, a little creaminess. It's not tart and juicy, but it's more like a really ripe melon, not a rotten smelling melon, just nicely ripe, nicely sweet, and a little creaminess. It's definitely perfect to wear in the summer. It's not gonna be too sweet. I feel like you can wear this in the day. You can also wear this at night. You can layer this with other fragrances. So this is a good sweet fragrance to wear in the summer if you want that nice, sweet, ripened fruit with a little creaminess. Young Pistachio Gelato by KAYALI. This is a perfect sweet summer scent. Ugh, it smells so good. Oh, I haven't worn this in a while. I need to put this on my tray. Have I worn this? I have not worn this. This smells so good. So I always say this smells like a Sprite float. So you know how they have root beer floats and Coke floats. This is a float, Sprite float. That's exactly what it is. You get that lemon lime effervescent feel with it, and then you get the creamy kind of ice cream pistachio feel, like, and it's something like cold to it. It's got a cold fuzzy fizziness in my nose. Like, I love it. This is one of my favorite KAYALIs. I really enjoy this. And like I said, it's perfect to wear in the summer because you're gonna get that sweet kind of ice cream, a little bit of citrus. People get florals in here. I really don't get florals. And it doesn't say it's florals in here. It says it's pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rim, whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy. Of course, there's other notes in here, but I feel like those are the notes that I get. I really don't get really florals. I don't get any soapiness. I don't get any of that some other people get. This is just a nice Sprite float with a little, you know, little effervescentness, and I love it. Now this one is new in my collection. I actually received this recently in PR, so I haven't been able to wear it, but when I smelled it, I was like, girl, this is like pineapple cotton candy. Like, that's exactly what it smells like to me. So you know how Sundays was like lemon cotton candy? This one is more like pineapple cotton candy. It's sweet. It's a little thick, but not too thick for summer. So I don't know about the performance, but the smell of it, this is definitely like a summertime sweet kind of gourmand. Is it notes of sugar or not a sugar? I don't know, but it's definitely got some sugar in it, that's for sure. Yeah, this is perfect for summer. It's like sweet fruits. It's a little creamy. I smell like caramel, whipped cream, but pineapples, cotton candy. What's in this, girl? Let me look. Hold on. So it has caramel, it has pineapple, coconut, raspberry, vanilla, almond, tonka bean, musk, heliotrope. Girl, I definitely get the pineapple. I get the caramel. I get the coconut. I get like a creaminess, so it's got to be the coconut, right? I don't really get the raspberry. It's not really tart. It's super sweet, so I definitely get the vanilla and the tonka. So girl, this is really nice for summer. I love pineapple. I love the way pineapple tastes, and then it's got that caramel. You can absolutely smell the caramel, so creamy and smooth, and it just smells so good. So y'all need to get y'all nose on this if you haven't already, especially if you like sweet fragrances for summer. Mallow by Adore. If you love Oriana, you're gonna love this. I feel like if you love Don't Be Shy, you're gonna love this. This is such a nice like orange blossom kind of almondy, sweet, sugary fragrance. It says it has raspberry in it, but that must be the tartness that I'm getting, because to me it smells like a citrus, like a kind of like a lemon or something like that. But yeah, it does have like a tartness to it. I think Oriana has raspberry in it too, doesn't it? Yeah, so they smell definitely alike and similar, but I really like this. The performance on this one is really good. I would say it's better than Oriana, and I really like this. So I feel like if you like that one, you would love this one too. This is Mula Double Caramel, and I feel like a lot of people don't talk about this as a sweet fragrance for summer, but it absolutely is. You definitely get the double caramel or the caramel itself, but it's still light, pretty, airy, girly, fruity a little bit. Like, this is perfect for summer. It's still kind of perfumey too. It's not just completely like super sweet gourmand. Like, you definitely get the sweetness, you definitely get the caramel, but it's still perfumey too. Yeah, this is so good. Oh, I need to put this on my next tray too, girl. This has peach and strawberry, raspberry, but you definitely get that caramel. It's a little ginger in here, but the ginger isn't strong. It's not strong. It's like just enough ginger. Yeah, this is still definitely giving you the fruits, the caramel, the sweetness, but still perfumey at the same time. This one isn't a loud fragrance. It's not a beast mode fragrance. It's definitely kind of more, you know, in your scent bubble, but I spray heavy, so it's going to give me a little more than just scent bubble, but still it's not super loud, but it's one of those that has a nice sillage. You know what I'm saying? It just kind of lingers in the air and smells good. So yeah, I have not worn this in a while, and I thought it would be a really good addition to the sweetness for summer. So I'm definitely probably gonna put this on my tray. I need to quit saying that because then y'all ain't gonna watch my perfume tray. But yeah, this smells so good. Gossip Night by Greasy was on my last perfume tray, and I really enjoyed it when I wore it. It just smells creamy, a little peachy. It's got lychee in it. I really don't get a lot of the lychee, but I can tell it's more fruits than just peach in it. And it's not super sweet. It's not super sweet. It's just the perfect amount of sweetness, the perfect amount of creaminess, but it's still a little light and airy a little bit. Like, it's not super dense like some of these other fragrances. Perfect for summer if you want to wear something sweet, a little fruity, a little creamy. Gossip Night was really a good one. Lastly is Keep Glaze by the House of Oud. I think this is like one of my favorite mango fragrances in my collection. Oh, it just smells so good. So you definitely get the mango. You get a slight greenness from it. That must be that strawberry leaf, because I've never smelled strawberry leaf, but that's looking like what is giving it like the greenness. You know what I'm saying? You get coconut, a little bit of ginger. Yeah, I feel like the notes that are listed in here, you kind of get a little bit of them, and they're mixed very well. I would say definitely get a sample of this to see how you like it, because some people get more greenness than others, but for me it's the mango, the whipped cream, a little bit of coconut, and a little bit of ginger. Oh yeah, and this is just so good for summer. It's not too sweet, but it's just sweet enough. You can layer it with other fragrances. You can wear it with a lot of stuff on this list for sure. And it's just a perfect girly, feminine, fruity, creamy fragrance for summer. Not too heavy, not too thick, not too dense, but perfect, light and airy. Love it. So that is my list of summer gourmands. Y'all let me know some of your favorite summer gourmands in the comments. Now, we're not doing cookies and cakes and pound cakes and pies and all that. We not that. That's for the fall, okay? Just, I need you to relax, not too much, okay? Let's do some summer gourmands, some summer sweetness, okay? Give me those down in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.